welcome to the Unenglish Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, September 16, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. I just need this coffee to kickstart my day.
Same here. I'm so tired after working late yesterday.
Oh, I feel you. Late nights are the worst.
Yeah, they really are. Did you check the news this morning?
Yeah, I did. There's some big stuff happening out there.
Oh, really? What did you see first?
Well, there's something about China and a huge US tech company. It's pretty serious.
What's going on with that?
China says this big chip company broke their anti-monopoly laws. They're not happy at all.
That sounds like a big deal. Which company is it?
It's a major one that makes chips for computers and AI stuff. China is doing a deep investigation now.
I see. That could mess up a lot of tech projects?
Oh, for sure. We might see prices for tech gear go up soon.
That's true. It could delay some of my project deadlines too.
Yeah, no joke. I need those chips for my sales demos to clients.
Let's hope it doesn't cause too many problems. We rely on that tech.
Exactly. If prices go up, my clients won't be happy at all.
I get that. It's something to keep an eye on for sure.
Totally. I'll check for updates later today.
Good idea. Did you hear about anything else in the news?
Yeah, there's something interesting about technology. Not about phones, but something else.
Oh, nice. What's that about?
It's about Tesla's big boss. He's not the richest person in the world anymore.
Really? Who passed him on the list?
Some guy from a tech company focused on AI. Tesla's boss dropped to number 2 for a bit.
That's surprising. AI is taking over everything these days.
Yeah, it's wild. I think AI might change how we do sales soon.
It could? I'm already thinking about AI for project tracking.
Imagine AI making my sales calls for me. I'd have so much free time.
That would be funny. But I think clients still want to talk to real people.
True. Nothing beats a good chat face-to-face.
Exactly. AI can help, but it can't replace us yet.
Nope, not yet. But who knows in a few years.
Good point. Tech moves so fast it's hard to keep up.
Oh yeah. I'm just trying to stay ahead for my sales numbers.
Same here. I need to plan projects with the latest tools.
Hey, speaking of staying ahead, did you hear any other news?
Not yet. Did you see something else?
Yeah, one more thing. It's about society and money stuff.
Oh, what's happening there?
Consumer prices went up more than people thought last month. Everything costs more now.
That's not great news. Why are prices going up?
I think it's because of the economy. Things are just getting expensive.
That's tough for everyone. It hits the wallet hard?
Oh, tell me about it. My grocery bill is crazy these days.
Same here. I'm trying to save, but it's not easy.
Yeah, even small things add up. Coffee at home costs more now.
Haha, that's why we're at the office machine. Free coffee saves the day.
Exactly. Gotta cut costs where we can.
So true. These price jumps make me rethink my budget?
Same. I'm telling my clients to plan for higher costs too.
That's smart. We need to adjust project budgets as well.
For sure. It's all about staying prepared, right?
Right. Planning ahead is the best way to handle it.
Hey, speaking of planning, how's your week looking?
Pretty busy. I've got a big team meeting coming up soon.
Oh, good luck with that. I know those can be a drag.
Thanks. What about you? Any big plans?
Yeah. I've got a client call later. Gotta close a deal.
Nice. I hope it goes well for you.
Thanks, Alex. I'm sure you'll rock your meeting too.
I hope so. I've got a lot of updates to share.
You've got this. Just keep it short and sweet.
Haha, I'll try. Long meetings are the worst.
Oh yeah, nobody likes those. Keep everyone awake.
I'll do my best. How do you prep for client calls?
I just go over my notes and smile a lot. Makes them trust me.
That's a good trick. A smile goes a long way.
For sure. And a good joke helps too sometimes.
True. Humor can break the ice with anyone.
Exactly. Hey, how's your project team doing these days?
They're okay. We're working hard to meet deadlines.
That's good to hear. Deadlines can be so stressful.
They are, but we're managing step by step.
Nice. My sales team is pushing hard for numbers too.
That's the spirit. We all have our goals to hit.
Yep, gotta keep the boss happy, right?
Haha, always. That's the office life.
Speaking of office life, this coffee is hitting the spot.
Oh, yes. It's just what I needed this morning.
Same. I might grab another cup before I start.
Good idea. I think I'll do the same.
Hey, let's chat about that China news again. It's stuck in my head.
Sure. What's worrying you about it?
I just think if tech prices go up, my sales pitch gets harder.
I get that. It could make clients think twice.
Yeah, exactly. I need to find a way to spin it.
Maybe focus on quality over price. That could work.
Not a bad idea. I'll try that angle.
Let me know how it goes. I'm curious.
Will do. What about your projects? Any tech worries?
A little. If chips are delayed, our timeline could slip.
Ah, that's annoying. Delays are the worst for business.
They are. I'm already looking for backup plans.
Smart move. Always good to have a plan B.
Yep, better safe than sorry, right?
Totally. Hey, back to that Tesla boss news. Isn't it crazy?
It is. Losing the top spot must be a big shock.
Oh yeah. I bet he's not happy about it.
Probably not. But AI is such a huge field now.
True. Maybe I should learn more about AI for sales.
That's a good thought. It could give you an edge.
Yeah, gotta stay ahead. What about you?
I'm reading up on AI for project tools. It's the future.
Cool. We're both on the same page then.
Huh, looks like it. Let's keep learning.
Deal. Oh, and those rising prices, they're killing me.
Me too. I'm cutting back on little things now.
Same. No more fancy lunches for a while.
Haha, I hear you. Back to simple sandwiches.
Yep. Gotta save those pennies where I can.
Exactly. Every little bit helps these days.
Hey, I think it's time to get back to work.
Yeah, I've got a lot on my plate today.
Me too. Good luck with everything, Alex.
Thanks, David. Have a great day.
You too. See you later at the coffee machine.
Huh, for sure. Catch you later.
Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.